Enter the roundabout and take the first exit onto Rifle Range Road toward Rifle Range Road South.
Come on, it's a give way, not a stop sign. You fucking idiot, don't you know how to drive a roundabout? Oh, fucking helmet, what a dickhead. Oh, just go through the red light. Yeah, good one on the bicycle, mate. Straight through the red light, no helmet on. Genius. Oh, good on you, dickhead. Oh, you fuckwit. Oh, you cheeky fucker. Anya. Jesus. Another fucking dickhead.
First up, I'm killing Stephen's mum. She's my inspiration. That's a classic, right? Stephen's dad's taken it pretty badly. Don't worry, I'm his carer. Oh, Stephen! I know, the audience want to love it as well, right? So we've got a meek, stuttering, underconfident, ultra-orthodox Jew who loves Great Britain, is a massive fan of the show, and
oh, what a dickhead. Couldn't even fucking reverse the car properly. Oi, fucking hell. Are you fucking serious? Or what? Fuck me. No fucking lights, no helmet. What a dickhead. This is what we get, Scotty.